This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Discoveries on the Physical Computing Unit, and I'm on the lesson Circuits and Physical Prototypes, wiring multiple LEDs. Using the Create LED block, you can now connect and control as many LEDs as your board has room for. Each LED needs to be connected to a separate numbered pin, but they can all share the same ground pin. Leave the current LED connected to pin 2. Add another one to a numbered pin of your choice. For the new LEDs, add a var myLED equals create LED block. Replace the var label myLED with something unique, of course. Make sure you're in text mode, not block mode. Add LED blink command, except we'll have to replace LED. Oh, says it there. Test your code. Try adding a third LED and make all three blink at different intervals. Fancy. All right. So I have my LEDs here, the tiny ones that came with it, these guys. You can't even tell. Right, so I'll add one of these to it. And let me grab my wires. I guess we'll do blue for the positive side. Let's give that, okay, now I need to code some. So they want us to do var myLED. Okay, and I guess I'll just say my LED. Well, this one's actually the second, but oh well. My LED 2. Create new LED. Oh, which number spot is that? Oh, my numbers are messed up. Let me see. There's a photo back here. I'm going to grab it. So that's number... Let's see if that's 2. I think that's 3 for me. Yes, that is 3. So LED 3. And then... Well, actually, if that's slot 3, I'll just put a 3 here. Okay. And then create LED, and now we need to make it blink. And so I named mine. And now I can pick an interval. I'll leave that one at 200. Let's see if it's working so far. Yes! And it is, but I want to do the challenge, so now I'm going to add a third one. So I'm going to hit reset, and they're going to keep blinking. Oh well. I guess I'll use yellow and green cables this time. Green is going to be the hot cable. Oh, and I already know it's working because it turned on right away because of the power. But we want to be able to control it. Oh, I moved everything. Now everything's lighting up. All right. Now we want to be able to control it. So I'm just going to highlight that, Control C or Command C if you're on a Mac, and then Control V. And now instead of naming it 3, I think that's pin 0 for me. I don't know. I don't name them. So I'm going to name it my LED 0. And let's try hitting run. Oh, weird. Let's reset it and stop them. To get them to stop, I'm just going to go back a couple. That's what worked for me before. Great. And now let's go towards this. And let's try again. Get the number wrong. Oh, that might be the powers. Oh, it's all lighting up. I want that one. Alright. Let's see. Gonna go back and reset again. But, it's hard to see them. But they're there. We got it. Woo! Let's keep going.